Alright guys, here we are in Talking Fix Wireless 3. This is my partner Wasim. So last week we left off where this side of the showcase, this side of the store was halfway done. This side is completely done now. This side over here is completely done as well. All we have to do is finish the drawers up. So I also spoke about the floors. We did the floors, a little bit of painting. We finished off the lighting. So Wasim, what do you think? What do you think about the progress? We've been here for about, I want to say 3 weeks now. This is our second week recording. What do you think about the progress so far?
So, I mean, if we go down our checklist to get the store finally opened, the floors are done, showcases are halfway or 90% done actually. We have our lighting done. What's missing is the doors. For all the showcases, our countertop is missing. And once that's done, we can start filling up the store with inventory.
Right.
Was there anything else on our checklist that we need to get done?
Let me see. We got the lighting done. We got the floors done, paint. There's a few things, decals. We got to bring in color, make this store pop a little bit. This side over here, usually in all our stores, we have 3 showcases in each side, 6 total. But for this store in particular, we have 4 here, and then we also added 2 brand new showcases where we're gonna start having Nintendo Switches, PlayStations, AirPods, speakers. So we're gonna have a little more variety in this store. So this store is gonna be jam-packed with inventory. So I can't wait for next week until you guys start seeing the progress of, everything that we've done. Usually this side of the store is all iPhone, where we're gonna carry all the phones from A to Z, chargers, AirPods, anything that has to do with iPhone, Apple is gonna be on this side. Anything that has to do with Samsung is gonna be on this side. So this is pretty much the concept of the store and actually all our stores. So what do you think, Wasim? I think by next week we should be ready to go with the POS system. We're gonna start ordering parts. We're gonna start training people. We have 3 new hires. I'm very excited for that. We're training actually today. We're training 3 people. We're pretty much on the ball. We're on time.
I mean, if you guys want some details, we usually put labels here as far as what's here, like Apple, charging, audio. On the top of these showcases, these are all going to be hooks for our accessories. We keep our extra inventory on the bottom. We're actually still in the process of getting glass showcases made here to keep our phones locked up and secured. And then on these, we're going to have the doors. We're going to have doors that open.
Glass doors. Yeah.
Glass doors. So that's actually one thing that's missing. But that's the process of getting the store ready from the front. We do still have people in the back working on bathroom, our repair table, floors and everything in the back, but what we try to do is we fix the front of the store so we can get the store open.
So the time frame is pretty much February 1st, opening day. We're gonna do a soft opening, and then February 11th, that's kind of like the time frame for a grand opening. Stay tuned for that. It's gonna be exciting. We're gonna have DJs, food, plenty of giveaways. I can't wait for that. It's a very exciting time for us. So
yeah, I mean, not only here, this is number 3. Number 4 is coming soon. We're gonna have another giveaway, another process coming along the way. And then also we're gonna go into looking for more locations. But right now, 3 is almost ready and 4 is in the way.
So guys, we're very excited to see you guys here February 1st for the soft opening, and very, very excited for the grand opening, February 11th. So cross our fingers, February 11th is the day. So let's hope that is the day that we have set so that you guys can come here, enjoy it yourselves, enjoy the DJ, enjoy food, dance, talk, mingle, talk to us, and see you then.
Remember guys, if we can't fix it, nobody can.